Megan Buell, and welcome to another edition of our safety segment. Today, I am with Deputy General Counsel and Director of Legal Services, Liz Hale. Liz,
Hey.
Thank you for being here.
Thank you for having me.
So, tell me, you've been with the department for a long time, many years.
15 years?
That's
No,
right.
I'm
You
sorry.
are seasoned.
10 years with the department, 15 with the state.
Okay, you're a seasoned player here at the Department of Safety and Homeland Security, and you held a lot of jobs in your current role. You wear many hats. So tell everyone kind of what your day looks like when it comes to safety.
Well, I do a lot of things with the department. One of the big things is answering legal questions. I could get anywhere from a trooper on the side of the road who's got a question about a stop he's making, or his captain or a lieutenant is calling me with something that's come into the district that they need to discuss. Sometimes it's because someone's being sued, unfortunately. Sometimes it's because, various things will come in. Driver's license is the same way. Questions, we've got someone in the station, he's wanting to know, can we take this document? Other questions that arise, I work with the Attorney General's office quite a bit and with the Governor's office on legal questions that arise regarding the department.
I know a lot of times too when we have protests, Liz is right there front and center. She's got to be down there because there's a lot of questions,
there
that
are
come
a lot
up.
of questions that can come up with protests, and a lot of that is trying to make sure that we are respecting the First Amendment rights of the persons who are protesting, as well as protecting other persons who may be around.
And we always have our Monday morning public records request meetings at the tower, and because we're always in constant communication. My division, your division, we work very closely together and have to be on the same page. So it's always strong for us to know what's going on, and we do get those public records requests, don't we,
do.
Liz?
Well, the citizens of Tennessee have the right to government transparency, where they can request records, and we do have to respond to them.
Absolutely. So you've been with the department now 10 years.
10 years, a little over 10 years.
And you were
Started
with
in 07, so I think I'm just about 11 years now.
Okay, and you were at the Attorney General's office before
Correct.
that. So, I really, really enjoy talking with you and spending time with you in our department, and it was really fascinating to me to find out some of the things that Liz Hale likes to do outside of the office. And I think it's important that we, know each other, and we spend a lot of time together, right? And it's fun to find out about people and what they like to do beyond the workplace, right? So I want you to tell us a little bit about your being a novelist.
Well, November is National Novel Writing Month, and I'm one of the municipal liaisons here for the Nashville area, which means that myself and another friend, we work with the overall NaNoWriMo group, which is the shorthand for National Novel Writing Month, to coordinate write-ins, places where people can go and write. We coordinate parties like the kickoff party and the Thank Goodness It's Over party. But the whole point of National Novel Writing Month is that if you're participating, your goal is to write a 50,000 word novel in 30 days.
Wow.
Because when this started, the group of friends out in San Francisco or in that area that started it, there was a lot of joke about one day I'm going to be a novelist. Well, okay, that's a one-day novelist. Let's go ahead and give ourselves 30 days to have a novel. And the point is not to write the next great American novel. I mean, some of the stuff I've produced is only good for printing out and then propping up my couch. But there's the fact that at the end of November, whatever I've written, whether I've written 25,000, 10,000, or 50,000 or more, those are words I didn't have on paper before.
That's right.
And you can't edit a blank page. And the world needs your novel. So a lot of people participate in this around the world. We have a lot of people in Nashville who participate. And I'm proud of every single one of them for participating, whether they make the 50,000 goal or not.
Well, you've really garnered some great, I think, support on this with the local media. I know that you conducted an interview.
Channel 5 had
conducted
an interview, and NPR has also been working with it, Nashville Public Radio.
Absolutely. And did you do something with the Tennessean a while back, too?
That was a couple years ago,
That's
the Tennessean.
Yeah, I remember this. And you play a really big role within this society here in Nashville. They kind of turn to you a lot of times when the media is calling about it, and I know
Well, as the municipal liaisons, because I stepped up to volunteer and say I'm willing to be the face of National Novel Writing Month in Nashville. That's why they turned to us. It's because we agreed to do that, and we agreed to work with the writers. And if someone has a problem, if we need to coordinate a ride for someone, or I'm the person that if we have any teenage writers in the area, I'm the person that the parents get to know, so they know who their child is spending time with, who they can call. Basically, I'm the responsible adult on the scene,
That
so
is
to
great.
speak.
And when you told me about this, I said, Liz, I want to get you on the safety segment because, again, people know you as our attorney and taking care of business from that legal standpoint. But how great is it to know that you've got such an incredible outside world that you dive into when you leave safety. So well, thank you for being here.
Well, thank you for having
I
me.
look forward to reading your book.
If it ever gets
You can
published.
have a book signing.
If I ever publish anything, I will make sure you are there.
Absolutely. All right.